AQA English Language Paper 2 Question 4 is a 16-mark question assessing AO3. This question is explicitly about the ideas and attitudes of the writers. You need to be very careful to make sure you're analysing the ideas and attitudes of the writers and not those of other people presented in the text. Follow this approach. Step 1. What are the attitudes and ideas? Step 2. What methods are used to present those attitudes and ideas? And Step 3. Analyse why those methods are used. Now, in the November 2023 exam, the report stated that students who didn't write about methods failed to get more than 6 out of 16 marks, so you do want to analyse methods in this question. So let's take a look at a part of a sample answer, and you can see the full answer in my guide to English language, which is linked in the description. In source A, the writer's thoughts and feelings about their experience working in the factory are ones of desperation and frustration. Niels Chu starts by saying that she hoped against hope someone will take up the cause and remedy the evils they are suffering from. There's a sense of desperation in the phrase hoped against hope. The repetition of hope within the phrase suggests there's nowhere else to turn. Additionally, the writer's choice of the words remedy and suffering imply that their poor working conditions are akin to an illness and that intervention needs to be sought in order to cure them. Furthermore, the use of the abstract noun evils suggests that they are suffering from more than just poor working conditions. This word implies that there's an immoral wickedness taking place at the hands of their employers. In contrast, the writer of source B presents elated feelings towards their experience at work, describing how the wages were surprisingly good and how work was the perfect place to recharge your batteries. This shows that both the remuneration and the conditions were fantastic, and Hale's use of the metaphor to recharge your batteries implies it was the opposite of work. The language here suggests the call centre was a rejuvenating experience, a stark contrast to the factory work which was without remission.